Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay channel. So today we will see how to extract a text from the images using two methods. Let us see what are those methods from the image file. Suppose if you are having an image like this is one of the image, it is having some content. So I wanted to edit this one. What I have to do, I have to copy this content, but this is in an image form, this cannot be copied. So we will copy this one, use it in a text editor so that we can add or edit the documents. So for that we are having two methods. An easy way to get that information without retyping it again, we will use first method, Microsoft OneNote. That is, by using a Microsoft OneNote, as it supports optical character recognition, that is OCR. So you can extract the text from a picture and paste the text into an application or into a text editor so that we can able to add some more data or we can edit the data itself. So OneNote is a part of a Microsoft Office suite, so which works on computers running on Windows 7 or later. So to extract the text from a picture using a OneNote 2007 or later, in this tutorial I am using OneNote 2016. So this is Microsoft OneNote. So for that, first open Microsoft OneNote like this. So this is the 2016 version of Microsoft OneNote. Of course you can use any version about 2007. There are again two methods to convert this one. In the first method, go to insert menu. In this insert menu, so we will attach this picture. So here picture, we will browse bar that screenshot, that is one, I have kept as a one. So we will open this one. So this is a picture form. It is opened here. But here also it cannot be edited. From this we can copy text from this picture and we can paste here in the sideway. So here you see there are so many options: source formatting, merge formatting, and here keep text only. This option we have to select. So here this is in an editable format. So after that this you can copy here and you can paste it in any text editor like Microsoft Word. So I will create one Microsoft Word file here. So I will paste this one here. In this way we can copy the content from a picture file and after that content as a text, and after that we can add and edit the data. So this is one method. Okay. So next method in the Microsoft One itself. So here I will delete this one. Before opening this Microsoft OneNote, first we can open the picture file that we wanted to copy. So after opening this one, you can open this Microsoft OneNote. Go to the insert tab. Here it is screen clipping. So click on that screen clipping, plus mark you can able to see here. So from this you can hold and drag the mouse button so that whatever the amount of data you want to copy, that you can select. Now here I am selecting full data. You can leave the mouse button. So after that, see here. This is in a picture format. So again right click here and copy text from this picture, and of course you can copy here also as a text, or directly you can go here. This I will delete here. You can go here and paste here. This keep text only. Okay. So this is second method in a Microsoft OneNote itself. We will see one more method, that is, without using this Microsoft OneNote, how to convert the text image into an editable format. So for that you can go for Google Docs. So open the Google Docs here. So before opening Google Docs, you have to log into the one of the Google account. So I am logging here. This is my mail, it is opening. Google Apps, you can click here and go for Google Drive. You can go for Google Drive, and here in this Google Drive you can add the file that you want to convert into an editable text format. That is, go to new here, click on new, then here folder, file upload. So here file upload I will select because only one file is there. If you are having a multiple files in a folder, then you can go for folder upload also. So now I am going for file upload. Click on file upload and go for desktop, and here one. This is one I am selecting. Image file is uploaded here. See, this is the file, it is uploaded. Now after this, right click on this one and open with Google Docs. Okay, right click on the document that you wanted to convert and go for open with Google Docs. One more tab is opening here, so it will open in a Google Docs format. So here this is a picture format and the same is converted here. See here, adding an hidden wireless network via the network flyout. So here adding, this is in a text format. This is an editable format. You can copy this one. Okay, you can copy this one, copy like this, and again you can paste here. Okay, this we have done in the last example. Delete here, you can paste here. Here also see this text. So this text can be edited. So here we can edit anything here, or we can delete something here. So in this way we can convert the image format into an editable format. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Friends, if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe for getting more technical information as and when I upload the videos. Thank you.